Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala nabiyyina Muhammad. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My respected sisters, welcome to this bite-sized video number 2. It's a very brief video. I just wanted to talk to you. I just wanted to tell you about something which we have studied in page number 29. We haven't went into the detail. It is a very, very brief video, something very important and very beautiful to share with you. So this video is about, part of this video is about page number 29 of lesson number 5. That was about Mudaf Mudaf Ilahye. Alhamdulillah, all of us know what is Mudaf Mudaf Ilahye. Let me just tell you once again, very briefly. Kitabu Hamidin means Hamid's book or book of Hamid. They both have same meaning, right? So Kitab is the object which is owned by who? Hamid. So Kitab is called Mudaf, which is a thing which is owned, and Hamid is called Mudaf Ilay, who is the owner of the thing. So Qalamu Bilalin, Bilal is Mudaf Ilay, Qalam is Bilal. Baitu Yasirin, Yasir's house. Yasir is an object which is owned by Yasir. House is an object which is owned by Yasir. So house, which is Bait, is Mudaf, and Yasir is Mudaf Ilay. This is a sheet you have received which has got written notes about Mudaf Mudaf Ilay on your group. This was the reading task. I hope everybody has done it, inshallah. One thing very important I want to share with you, sisters, it was written there as well, but I just want to make sure that we all understand that Mudaf Mudaf Ilay is not a sentence. Mudaf Mudaf Ilay is not a sentence. Yes, it is a phrase. These are a combination of two words, but it is not a sentence. It does not give you full meaning. Please remember always Mudaf Mudaf Ilay is not a meaningful sentence. What do I mean by that? Let's have a quick look. If we look at this one here, look at this one. Qalamu Talibi. What is Qalamu Talibi? Qalamu is Mudaf, Talibi is Mudaf Ilay. What's the meaning? Pen of the student. What do you understand with this word pen of the student? When I say pen of the student and I become quiet, you're looking at me, you're not getting anything. Okay, what about pen of the student? Okay, pen of the student, but what? Is this a pen of student? Is that a pen of student? Pen of student is new, or the pen of student is broken. So student's pen of the student, it is the same thing, right? But what about it? You're not getting it. But if I say Hada Qalamu Talibi, now what happened? The meaning has become this is pen of the student. Now it's a meaningful sentence. Now you cannot ask me any further. If I say pen of student and become quiet, you will be looking at my face, waiting for me to say something about it. But if I say Hada Qalamu Talibi, you are satisfied. This is a full sentence. This is pen of the student. So what is Hada doing here, sisters? Remember, we have seen this. Hada is a definite noun. It can come in the place of mubtada. So here our sentence is beginning with Hada. Hada is a noun, right? And it's a definite noun. So what is Hada? Hada is mubtada. So if we have a mubtada in the sentence, clearly it's a noun sentence, right? Hada is not a verb. It's not an action. Hada means this. So if this is a noun sentence and Hada is our mubtada, where is the khabar? Let's search for the khabar. At-talibi is the khabar? No, but khabar is marfu. And this word at-talibi is majroor. What about the word before that? Qalamu. Hada marfu. Qalam is marfu. Look, we can see the dhamma, and khabar is also marfu. So this word qalamu is marfu. So what is this word? What is this Qalamu, what role is it playing? Qalamu is mudaf and qalamu is also a khabar. So now in the sentence, Hada qalamu talibi, Hada is our mubtada. Qalam is our khabar, right? When there's a mubtada, there must be a khabar. And after khabar, we have this word playing the role of mudaf. If there's a mudaf, then there must be mudaf ilay. So he's mudaf ilay. Another example, same example, qalamu talibi. What's the meaning of qalamu talibi? What is qalamu? I'rab of qalamu? Qalamu is mudaf, at-talibi is mudaf ilay. Together, the meaning is pen of the student. But once again, it's not giving you any concrete meaning. You're not able to understand anything. But if I say maksurun, the meaning will become pen of the student is broken. Pen of the student is broken. Now it makes sense, right? So what is this maksurun doing? It is an information about pen, isn't it? Khabar about the pens. It's an information, some sort of detail about the pen. So maksurun is the khabar. If we have a khabar in the sentence, it means there should be some mubtada as well. So mubtada is always marfu, right? At-talib, is it marfu? No, it is majroor. Oh, here we have qalamu. This is marfu. So this is our mubtada, right? So this word qalamu is playing the role of mubtada, and it is also mudaf, and maksurun is the khabar, and at-talibi is the mudaf ilay. One might ask, we always said that khabar is always definite. There is no alif lam here. It's nobody's name. It's qalam, a pen. But sisters, remember, we have also said, and we have added it last time here, that mudaf mudaf ilay, when a word comes as a mudaf, then the mudaf is also definite, is also considered definite. Look, here it is on the right hand side. it is coming in the category of those words which are definite. So qalam is mubtada, and qalam is also playing the role of mudaf, and talib is mudaf ilay, and maksurun is the khabar. So this is one sentence. We will only one sentence analyze from page number 28, which is the actually in the continuation of page number 29. Al-Qur'anu kitabullahi. What is Al-Qur'anu? Al-Qur'anu is, which kind of sentence is that? It's a noun sentence, because Al-Quran is the noun. What's the first word? First word is a noun. Is the definite noun? Yes, it is Al-Quran. So it fits the bill of mubtada. Is it marfu? Yes, it is marfu. So Al-Qur'anu is our mubtada. Kitabullahi. If Al-Qur'anu is our, for example, Al-Qur'an is mubtada, where is the khabar? Here's the khabar, because we see after that there's a word coming with which is marfu. So we see Al-Qur'anu Kitabullah. So Al-Qur'an is mubtada, Kitab is our khabar, and Kitab is also mudaf, and mudaf ilay is coming after that. Kitabullahi. If we only see Kitabullahi, it is mudaf mudaf ilay. But if we bring Al-Qur'anu Kitabullahi, it means the Quran is the book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Here we can see, right? If we just say Kitabullahi, then meaning is not complete. Are we saying Injil is the Kitabullah? Zubur is the Kitabullah? Al-Quran is the Kitabullah? What are we trying to say here? It was Al-Quranu Kitabullahi. Now we are done with 5 minutes here, and I'm sorry, but I'll just take one more thing, a little bit of time, and inshallah we'll clear that. We have seen this coming in the book. Qalamuman, qamisuman, baytuman, mudaf ilay. We always say this is majroor, right? Qalamu Bilalin, qamisu Yasirin, baytu Muhammadin. But why this word is not showing any change, right? We will see why this is happening. So there are some nouns which are changeable, some are non-changeable. What do I mean by that? Look, we have a story here, Brother Ali and Brother Zaid. Brother Zaid, mashallah, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala have mercy on both of our brothers. Brother Ali is working as a manager in a company, right? So when he goes to, he works in a factory basically. So when he goes to his factory, he wears the clothing which is suitable for his work. When he goes to a walima, then he wears 3-piece suit which is suitable for him going in some party. When he goes to play cricket, he likes to play cricket. He will not just go in whatever he's wearing, but rather he will change his attire. He will put the kit of the cricketer, and then he will go to play. On the other hand, Brother Zaid, he is running a small shop in a village. This brother is having only one, as you can see, one attire. If he goes to work, he will be wearing the same clothes. He goes to some walima, he will be wearing the same clothes. If he goes anywhere else to do something else, he will still wear the same clothes. He doesn't have different changeable things which he can change according to his role in that situation, right? According to his object in that situation. So we have some words here, some sentences here. I hope you will inshallah be able to understand that. Yasirun tabibun is what is a mubtada and khabar, right? So what is Yasir doing here? Okay, this should be, I'm sorry, tabibun should be, let's say this is a dhamma here, right? Yasir is madmum here. Yasir is marfu. In the next one, Baitu Yasirin means house of Yasir. So what is the haraka on Yasir? Yasir is majroor. Why? Because mudaf ilay is always majroor. How do we know? We see here kasra coming, and we know it is the playing of mudaf ilay, role of mudaf ilay, it is majroor. Here in the verb, Daraba is the verb, as we've seen before. Zaid is the one who is hitting. Who is he hitting? He is hitting Yasir. So maf'ul, the object of the verb, is always mansub. So we can see Yasiran is mansub. But here when we see this sentence, Hadha tabibun, we've just studied on the last slide. Hadha is a definite noun. It can come as a mubtada. So Hadha tabibun means this is a doctor. Hadha is mubtada. But can we see any dhamma? We always said mubtada is marfu, but we can't see anything. There's nothing here. In this sentence, Muhammadun fi hadha al-masjidi. Fi is harf jar. After fi, the word which will come will always be majroor. But can we see any kasra here? We can't say fi hadhi, is fi hadha. Here in the third one, when it's coming with the verb, kataba Zaidun hadha, yani Hamid wrote this. Here we can see the fatha, right? But in this previous example where there should be a kasra, we can't see any. Here there should be a marfu sign, dhamma, we can't see. Why? Because there are some words which change the vowel sign, some words do not change the vowel sign. Nouns which do not change vowel sign on the last letter are called not fixed, mu'rab. And nouns which do not change the vowel sign, sorry, it's an error here. You should think it this way, the vowel, sorry, subhanallah, the nouns which changes the vowel sign are not fixed, and nouns which do not change the vowel sign on the last letter are called fixed. You don't need to really memorize the Arabic at this stage. The video is now touching about 9 minutes and some seconds. I will end it. I hope it was useful. We will do the practice of it many times in the class, not these slides, but actual lessons, and you will become strong in that. This video is with you. Please try to view it as many times as possible. Jazakumullah khairan. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.